Hello everyone, if you're preparing for CAT and OMET and you're wondering whether SuperGrads CAT is the right platform for you, you're in strictly the right place, right? My name is Vijayaditya Singh. I completed my MBA from IIM Ahmedabad in the year of 2024 and currently I'm the pedagogy engineer at SuperGrads. Pedagogy engineer basically means I designed what to teach, how to teach for each specific student type. So that they reach their dream B schools. Yeah, that's what I do at this place. But never mind about me. Let's talk about you. In this video, I'm going to tell you a few things on completely honestly as to who this product is built for, what are the kind of customers that we cater to, and what we don't. तो अगर आप उस कैटेगरी में आते हैं तो आई वुड रिकमेंड दैट यू जॉइन द सुपरग्रेड्स कैट प्रोग्राम. इफ यू डोंट बिकॉज ऑफ अ सर्टेन रीजन देन इट्स ऑल्सो फाइन, बट आई जस्ट थॉट आई लेट यू ऑल नो अबाउट दिस. So yeah, let's quickly get started. First is how are we a bit different? What are we doing differently than other competitors, right? So let me start with the question actually. How many of you have been handed a stack of 20 books on the first day and been told कि हाँ 5 महीने में कैट है यहाँ आपको खत्म करना है? If that's what has happened to you, this is exactly why we started this product, because we don't think that is the way anybody can ever crack CAT, right? The traditional CAT coaching model, honestly, it works if you have a unlimited time with you, unlimited energy, you don't have a social life and all those things, right? But here's the reality: most of us don't do all of this, right? SuperGrads CAT is a new age CAT and OMED platform, and it's designed with one core mission to maximize your results in minimum time. Right? We are not going to tell you study more, study more. Of course, we know that you want to study as much as you can. In fact, we will also push you, but we know that everything that needs your results will take a lot of time. So we want you to give the best time that you can do with your it. So basically, how we go about this is through hyper-personalization. So when you join us, we don't give you a fixed syllabus or a book set of books that you have to do. We first understand you, right? How much time do you have left before your target exam? What is your academic background? What are you naturally good at? What are you naturally weak at? Yeah, and based on that, we curate a preparation strategy for you that is extremely specific to you. So basically, it's not like somebody who's joined 12 months ago versus somebody who's joined 6 months ago is getting the same preparation done. And we've done this for years and years of analysis with previous CAT and OMET year papers, looking at which topics appear the most, whose difficulty is usually less, which are easier to score in, which questions will give you the most return in the actual exam, right? And honestly, just not worth your time limit वाले questions भी बहुत रहेंगे. So you spend your hours trying just to understand the questions that are actually going to drive your marks. That is something that we've curated over the period of years, right? We give you your course, not just any other course, right? So the questions are tiered based on how much time you have left and what you need to do in that specific time mentor piece only. Now here's what I think SuperGrads CAT is genuinely different. Most platforms give you video lectures and mock tests, right? And that's useful, but it's not enough for a lot of students. For example, I'll tell you why. What students actually need sometimes is accountability, feedback, and direction. And while everybody promises to have a mentorship program, we actually have IIM alumni who are actual young IIM alumni who will call you every week. They'll catch up with you as to how your last week was, what they're planning to do the next week. If you're suffering at something, if you're bad at a specific topic, how do you cover up from it? If you're having an exam, अगर आपका placement आने वाला है, how do you make sure that your study plan changes? Every single week, your mentor is going to sit down with you one-on-one, review your mock performances, what went wrong, आप क्या कर पाए, क्या नहीं कर पाए. They'll go through everything with you every single week, not just till the day of the CAT, but till the day you reach your dream B school. And that is what is going to help you in this time that nobody else in the competitor industry is ever going to do for you, right? Think about that. Not a teacher teaching you, to read off the slides or just giving you textbook information like, yeah, have a very good night's sleep before the CAT exam. And IIM mentor knows that वो नहीं हो पाएगा and just be ready for it, right? That's the kind of real advice that a IIM mentor will give you. So yeah, that's what we do, and we do that every single week. And while our team has CAT prep, veterans who started the CAT prep industry 20 years ago when it boomed. I myself am a very young pass out of the IIM Ahmedabad campus for the MBA. And I've seen, the pedagogy change over the course of time, and I've made it much more relevant for what is really needed instead of just showering everything that under the sun to make sure that you keep studying for 2-year courses just to crack CAT. That's not what is relevant in today's time. So basically, what I'm trying to say to you now is, and I think this part is very important. If you have taken a full-time drop year or have 2 years later for you to prepare for CAT, honestly, you can choose any coaching in the world, right? You have enough time. You have, all the time in the world. You can choose any coaching. You can choose us. You can not choose us. That's equally fine. But here's why you should definitely choose us in case you are a working professional. If you're juggling between a 9 to 5 job, which is rarely 9 to 5 in these days, if you have long commutes from office to colleges, you have deadlines, work deadlines, and bosses, or if you're a college student and semester exams and social life and whatnot, a lot of these things happen, right? So the actual time that you get to really apply for preparing for CAT is reduced. If that is the case with you, then if you want smarter and more efficient approach to study CAT and be actually honest about it with someone, then I heavily recommend that you join SuperGrads CAT by Toprankers, because we are built specifically for such scenarios, because these are more relevant and real scenarios, right? Because here's the truth that no one talks about: preparation is not linear. कई बहुत अच्छे phases होते हैं, कई बहुत बुरे phases होते हैं. Life doesn't pause when CAT prep begins. Job gets hectic, फिर भी एग्जाम्स पाइल अप हो जाएंगे, फिर भी ट्रैफिक में आप फंस जाओगे, फिर भी फैमिली इवेंट्स आएंगे, फिर भी, राइट? एंड दैट्स नॉट एन एक्सक्यूज फॉर यू टू प्रेप फॉर CAT. दैट्स जस्ट रियलिटी. Now we solve for that reality instead of saying no, that reality does not exist, like a lot of people do, right? Our mentorship is designed particularly to keep you on track even when life throws you, all these curveballs to you. Our personalized study plan flex your availability, and you don't lose that momentum, because you know that your plan is going to adapt based on how your life is going to turn out. So yeah, is the bigger fundamental question then becomes, is coaching necessary? To which I have a very specific and serious answer. If you want to be mediocre in life, if you want to be where you are right now and you're happy with that, it's okay for you to not take a coaching. Why? Because you will be at a suboptimal level like you are right now. Is there any incremental benefit to joining a coaching? Of course, yes, because we've been teaching this course for the last 20 years, right? We know a lot of things that you don't. Even if you try your best, you will definitely have a lot of things that we know of that you will not know. So if you want to be okay going to a suboptimal MBA college, which I don't know why would you be, but yeah, you should definitely go to a coaching if you want to be at the top of who you can be. If you want to be somebody who's done their best and wants to reach to the top IIMs and not just any mediocre IIMs and just settle with it, then I think you should definitely get yourself a coaching. We have already trained hundreds of students. All of them have reached IIMs. We've cracked the codes. We've made a lot of mistakes and learned from it ourselves. We know exactly what to do now, right? And you don't have to waste your entire year just to go in that learning. That next year, perhaps you will be able to do it again, right? We've already done that for 20 years, so we know that we don't have to do this again. So yeah, we eliminate that learning curve entirely, and that's why coachings are extremely important. So yeah, if this resonates with you, if you're someone with a limited time issue as well, but you have high ambitions and you want a smart and more personalized preparation that does not do a one size fits all approach for CAT, SuperGrads CAT by Toprankers is your definite answer. Click the link in the description below to find all the programs that we have. We've got one for each type. Speak to our team, or just book a free counseling session with one of our academic counselors. I think you'll have a great time talking to them, right? The IIM dream is absolutely within reach right now. You just need the right support system and don't go, half-hearted with it. That's my only advice to you. I hope we've been able to help you, and I'll see you on the other side.